Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the XDEFIANT error code Delta-01, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and just close the application if you do have the game open. So just go ahead and close the application, and then the next step you're going to do is go ahead and restart your PS5. Now, once you do both of those things, you should be good to go. Go ahead and go back into XDefiant, see if that fixes. If that does not fix, don't worry. The third step you guys are going to do is you're going to go to settings, go to network, and make sure you're good. Everything is signed in. If it's not, then go ahead and fix that. But most likely you will be signed in. And if you are not signed in, what you're going to do is you're basically just going to restart, or you're going to, restart your Wi-Fi router. You're going to unplug the wires out of the back. Wait 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes at max, and then go ahead and replug it, and then you should be good to go. But make sure that once you do restart your Wi-Fi router, you're gonna actually just close the PlayStation and then turn it back on, and then you will be connected again to the Wi-Fi, so you should be good to go. And once you do all of those things, just just test your internet connection, make sure everything is good, everything is running, and you should be good to go. And once you do that, go back and go log into XDefiant, and you should be good to go. The error code should be gone. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.